Get ready to experience the thrill of a lifetime as Ford Performance unveils the all-new Mustang Dark Horse R. This turnkey race car is built for the most demanding track enthusiasts, offering an incredible opportunity to compete in the exciting Mustang Challenge Spec Racing Series sanctioned by the International Motorsports Association, IMSA. Mark Rushbrook. Mustang Dark Horse R bridges the gap between Dark Horse and Mustang GT3 and GT4. It's a factory-built race car designed for passionate customers who crave both performance and competition. Jim Owens. Designed with Mustang racing enthusiasts in mind, the Mustang Dark Horse R boasts a track-capable 5.0-liter V8 engine and shares several components with the road-going version. This aggressive yet approachable package promises an adrenaline-pumping experience like no other. Dark Horse R is strictly for track use and comes equipped with track-focused equipment, including a roll cage, upgraded oil and cooling systems, performance ABS, and Brembo race calipers and rotors. The interior is race-ready with Recaro FIA racing seats, a Sparco quick-release steering wheel, and a Motec data display and logging system. The Mustang Dark Horse R is tailor-made for the new Mustang Challenge Series starting in 2024. Managed by the Ford Performance Racing School and sanctioned by IMSA, this thrilling single-make racing series will take place during 5 to 6 North American sports car race weekends. John Doonan. The Mustang Challenge Series is a perfect addition to our IMSA family. We're excited to be the sanctioning body and witness the spectacle of Dark Horse R's charging into Turn 1 during race weekends. Prepare to embark on an extraordinary racing journey with the Mustang Dark Horse R. Pricing starts at $145,000, and deliveries will begin in anticipation of the adrenaline-fueled Mustang Challenge season in 2024. Unleash the power of the Mustang Dark Horse R and experience racing like never before.